Freshwater generator is used to generate fresh water from seawater on ships. The procedure freshwater is mainly used for drinking purpose, for boiler water system, and for other freshwater consumptions. Let's understand the operation procedure of a shell and a tube type freshwater generator, starting with different parts of the system. Freshwater pump. It is used to supply the generate freshwater to ships' freshwater tanks by taking the suction from the freshwater generator. Normal rated capacity 3 to 5 meter cube per hour depending on supply head. Injector pump. Pressurized water is supplied to inductor for creating vacuum. It also supplies cooling water to the condenser to cool the freshwater vapors. Rated capacity 25 to 30 meter cube per hour, pressure 3 to 6 bar depending upon the ship's draw. Inductor. It is used to remove the accumulated brine from the generator and to create the necessary vacuum. Evaporator. It is used to boil off the seawater at lower temperature which the help of vacuum. Condenser. It is used to condense the freshwater vapors and collect them in liquid. The other components of fresh generator are main engine jacket, relief valve, vacuum gauge, thermometer, and venco, which must be set operating fresh water. Next, open injector pump, line discharge and suction valves. And also open the feed water valve to FWG evaporator. Start the injector pump. Water will pass through the condenser and air with brine inductor. Injector pump also supplies feed water, seawater to evaporator which then converter into fresh water. Inductor will also create vacuum in the PWG. Open the jacket water discharge valve and then the inlet valve to the condenser. Simultaneously shut the GCW bypass valve for FWG slowly. Keep checking the main GCW pressure. The jacket water temperature 75 to 85 degrees Celsius will heat up the seawater as at low pressure vacuum. Water boils at low the normal boiling temperature. The water vapor will pass through the demister which will remove the carried salt and only allow water vapor to pass through. The shell temperature will increase and there will be a slight drop in the vacuum. This indicates evaporation has started. The vapor will comply down by seawater in the condenser and will get collected as fresh water. A salt will get collected at a bottom in the form of brine. The inductor will continuously discharge the brine to the overboard. Open the freshwater distillate pump discharge valve and bypass valve of the ceilometer and initially check the salt content. Keep that discharge valve to FW tank. Start the freshwater distillate pump. Check the salt content by testing the water. Once the salt content decreases, we switch on the ceilometer and keep alarm on muta condition. The salt will get collected off the bottom in the form of brine. The inductor will continuously discharge the brine to overboard. Start the freshwater distillate pump.